This is Seth with Skybird Roofing. We're here today at 101 Harborview Drive in Chocowinity, North Carolina. We're here today to do a repair test. Here's the shingle that we will be doing the repair on. As you can see, the creasing. I want to show you the top two rows first, showing that there's no creasing going on. What we're going to do during this repair, if we see any creases after the repair is done, that shows us that the roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage to the shingle. All right, and I want to first show you 45-degree angle. All right, that's gonna be right here, and there's your 45 degrees. We won't go past that. Let's get to work. We are using our roof snake just in case you're wondering. Come on. Yeah. Come on in, just go in. Still recording. gotta be kidding me. All right. All right, as you can see here, after we are all said and done, we have our creases coming through here and here, a little bit coming here. This just goes to show you that this roof is not repairable without causing continual damage. Thank you. Have a blessed day.